Hello and welcome back to Project RS. A bit more than anticipated. First up was the coilovers. So these are the ones that came on the car. The minute we jacked it up, we figured out why it was sat so low, because the front ones were broke. So we got some brand new BC Racing coilovers on there.
There was another fly!
Those of you who watched video 1 would have seen the boost pipe was completely mangled. I'll put a clip up of that now. So we got a nice new AirTech one and got the car running, made sure it was all sweet, which it seemed to be. It fired up, it started fine, it was all okay. So moving on to the clutch, what we're now doing, and as you can see from the puddle on the floor, is we're going to bleed it and see how it runs. It might not need a clutch, because the clutch pedal was just kind of sticky, but it was coming back to life, so we're hoping bleeding it is going to take care of it. Check these arches, guys. How did they get so bad?
See the bubbles coming up?
No. Oh, Jesus Christ. There was a good few bubbles came out of it.
That's actually pushing back my foot.
Ideal, man. So one thing we had said in video 1 is it appeared like the turbo was leaking, but in reality, it looks like it might actually just be these oil cooler pipes, which would be ideal. So I've got a couple more of these, 60, 70 quid each these are from Ford now, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it is just these pipes, because that's going to be a whole lot easier than having to pull off that turbo. Robin, you haven't got an iPhone charger, have you? Oh. Project Arse, right enough.
Right now?
That'll fire up now. Boost leak. There's a boost leak somewhere. Right, that'll be it then. Not connected.
That's that flag. Top of the turbo?
Yeah. Take 2, so it turned out the crossover pipe was not connected to the turbo in any way. No wonder the poor thing wouldn't start. Oh, jeez, right, it's moving. You look like you've just stole it, Gary.
I basically stole it, isn't it?
Oh, careful.
The air's not on. Air, onto this top strut. Aye.
Yeah, it's not on. Jumping the gun, Gary. You've no fucking bolts on the top of your coilovers. Right, let her rip. Go.
When does it battery? That's not spinning very fast for the amount it's for the amount of noise it's making.
It sounds right. It's turning over.
It's spinning now.
You've not invested any money in this.
I've not, no.
That's why you don't care.
I also don't know what's going on.
Do you want to just push it down the hill and jump start it?
And then what do we do when it won't run at the bottom of the hill?
Push it back up.
So slippy, man.
I know.
Ready?
Go for it. Rev it.
I hope the brakes work.
And that's the last you see of the focus.
Bit of throttle. You want to just head home?
Been cranking that one.
I know it's a bad time to say it, but it looks so fucking good, man. Good looking car.
It's very dark.
Do you mean metaphorically or?
No, the video's very dark.
Alright, okay. It's not the coolest Gary's ever looked, is it? It's a bit of an ick. Oh, the rope's off. Oh God. Right, this is no laughing matter.
It's actually very dark, isn't it?
I'll be honest guys, this is starting to feel like it maybe wasn't the best purchase. I'll tell you one good move I did make though, and that's that I used vehiclescore.co.uk to do an HPI check before I bought it, so at least I know it's not got any hidden history. Now the good thing about Vehicle Score is you can use this for completely free to look at the good and bad points about any given car. They also offer paid HPI reports, and thankfully I've done one of those as well, and you can too, using the 15% discount voucher on screen now. So there you go, a discount or a free tool, you've no excuse, make sure you buy a good car. Right, let's get back to this RS. Jesus. There we go. She's home. Well, it's on the camera. Before we figured that the turbo wasn't connected, it fired right up.
Did it? That's what that
It was running.
I don't think it's battery related. Think so?
You don't think it's what?
I don't think it's battery related.
No, I don't think so.
Anyone get into soon?
I'd cry if you want to hear. Cut to the edge.
Does anyone want to buy a Project Focus RS? Not exactly the ending that we wanted today, but we've been defeated by it. We've gone from it starting to not starting, so I think we've got a silly earth problem, we've got a fuse problem, something like that. That is cars for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to keep up with us, hit like on this video, drop a comment below wishing us luck. Thanks for watching.
That's a wrap.